Hey mate, I'm Alex.
And I'm Gaston.
Welcome to Power Mate.
This is the place to learn and share about Fabric and Power Platform. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this channel with your friends and colleagues.
Hi Power Mate, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be diving into the Microsoft Purview Hub for Microsoft Fabric.
Yeah, right on, Alex. Let's start a little bit with kind of exactly what is Microsoft Purview Hub and why is within Microsoft Power Portal. So kind of a simple in terms is a whole unified data governance service that helps you manage and oversee all your data landscapes within Microsoft Fabric.
Yeah, that's good to know. And I can imagine that with the increasing volume of data from our client and college, we can ensure that our data is well managed and complying with regulations, since that is a crucial ask. So keep me honest, Gaston, but seems that Microsoft Purview Hub, we can simplify this process, right?
Yeah, exactly, Alex. The Microsoft the Purview Hub offers a good set of different features, including, the data discovery, data classification, and data lineage. So this means that you can easily find and understand your data, classify based on your sensitivity of the data labels, and track all the journey across your data state.
Okay, so good. So let's showcase that on your machine, Gaston.
Yep, of course. This is our, main portal on Microsoft Fabric. From here, couple of things that I would love to recall before we dive in. First, remember that if you are a Fabric admin, you can go to settings all over here. Then I'm gonna open a little bit here. There's two buckets, the admin portal and the Microsoft Purview Hub. I'm gonna first go into the admin portal to check a couple of things. First of all, in the filter, if I filter here adding metadata, you can see that I apply this filter. And then a couple of things here. First of all, there's these packets over here. You can give access for Purview to start checking on the Fabric APIs to have access via service principal, via security groups, and access all the APIs and scan all the metadata of your data landscape within Fabric. That is first to understand a little bit the admin perspective. The second bucket that I would love to open here in settings is, as I shared before, the Microsoft Purview Hub. If I click on this option, that opens the Purview Hub for all of us, where I can start checking on different things here and how you can visualize data moves, source, destination, troubleshooting. And another important aspect around all of this is the integration with Microsoft Fabric. So Purview seamlessly integrate with other Microsoft services, providing data governance experience. Let's talk a little bit of some practical use cases here. Imagine, for example, that you are a chief data officer in a large enterprise with Microsoft Purview Hub. You can easily ensure to have access to all the artifacts within your tenant. As you can see here, you have all the Microsoft Fabric items, workspace, and items by workspace. This is a preview of what is the content within your tenant.
All right. And in addition to that, if you are a data analyst, you can quickly find the data you need. So understanding its context and ensure it's accurate and reliable before using it for your analysis.
Yeah, that is pretty much everything that you can cover in terms of finding all the artifacts, all the items. But this is only top of the iceberg. There's so much content that you can get from the Purview Hub, and we are going to be going deep on this analysis in upcoming videos. So stay tuned for more in-depth insights, tutorials, and exciting news. We're here in our channel.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell, and join us on this journey.
Together, let's unlock the full potential on Power Platform and Microsoft Fabric.
Yeah.